Groucho Kent, seat 7A, seated on Delta Airlines Flight 161 to Minneapolis, Minnesota, right here, an A350-900. The November 573 Delta Zulu. That's 7 years old, first flight September 2018. Let's have a look and see. Alan, good morning, mate. Good to see you. See it. I think it was the third window before the first entrance or exit, if you will, the first door. I think Singapore is now taking to the sky from center. Let's have a quick look at it. Yep, there it is. Singapore Airlines Flight 323 to Singapore. Should become visible right there. There's the Dows. The Dows almost in the house. The A340-600 Dows. Still in the house, but not for long. Oh wow, it's already moving! What? Surinam flight 993 to Polderbaan. This is of course the Dows, the A340-600. 22 years old, first flight December 2003. Slow retraction of the gear. In that sense, the A340 is no different from A330. How high above the ground is it by now? Yay high! Alright, 767 300 the November 642 Uniform Alpha. 34 years old already, first flight April 1991. Phonetic sounds great. Right. More goodiness on its way to the United States. Team USA, the A330neo, Delta Airlines Flight 57. Delta Airlines Flight 57 on its way to Salt Lake City in Utah. Our length measurement is Mita, and in America they have Utah. The November 411 Delta X-ray, Team USA. All right, it's turning and burning. United Flight 947 to Washington. It's the November 641 Uniform Alpha. And it's a 767-300. 35 years old, first flight March 1991. And a nice flyby in the background of a KLM Embraer. Yeah, the A350 looks a bit unhappy. China Airlines Flight 74 to Taipei. Registration Bravo 18909. 8 years old already and already rolling. First flight was in July 2017. Come on in with that growl. You know you want to. Fly4 Airlines 737-800, Irish registered, EIFFD, Foxtrot Delta. Now rolling, 12 years old already, first flight April 2013. Now have a look. What does it remind you of? I think it looks like the PHGOV, but only 2/3 of it. We're missing the dark part. And this is United Airlines Flight 908 to Chicago. November 763 Uniform Alpha. This is 26 years old already, first flight December 1999. Third 767 of the show. 3 already. be even more fun if Iceland Air also sent a 767 over to Amsterdam. But that probably didn't happen, did it? Smoky engines. I think, is that the A350? Yep. Cathay Pacific, flight 270 to Hong Kong, the A350 1000, now taking off via the center runway. Gear up. Right, last airplane of today's show, the Emirates A380, the one that we never actually thought we were going to see since we were filming departures. I think, yeah, gear is coming out. So that's the outer gear coming out first, the outer main gear. Then when that's locked in, the inner main gear comes out. And after everything is locked into place, the hatches will close again. And you'll have one A380 ready to land, or at least the gear is ready to take the landing. Now, obviously it would be nice if it went around. I'm not expecting it to happen, but fingers crossed, you never know. And if not, then at least let's hope for a loud landing. Let's look and listen. Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen.